Namaste students. Today we are going to read the chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, chapter 4 of our book Honeydew, class 8. Today we are going to read the first part of this chapter. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Students, it is a humorous story in which the main character is made to believe himself sick before he thinks that he has a lapse of memory. In truth, what happens that we will read in the chapter. Before reading the chapter, students, this story is very interesting. As the name shows, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Let us know about the characters of this story. The first character is Bipin Chaudhary. He is an old man who had no children. He was living a lonely life after his wife's demise. He was working in reputed firm at responsible post and have few friends. The personality of Bipin Chaudhary is like he is very interesting in reading books. This is shown in starting of the story. He stops his car every Monday in New Market to buy books. He never wanted to waste his time in idle chatting. The second character is Parimal Ghosh. He is a round-faced, meek-looking man who intrigued Bipin Chaudhary in bookshop. He tried to make believe Bipin Babu that he had gone to Ranchi. He also provided many evidence that make Bipin really on his statement. The third character is Chunilal. He is a school friend of Bipin Chaudhary. He previously worked in travel agency but now in search of job. He kept visiting Bipin's house about the job, but Bipin always disregards him. Bipin Babu had also not helped him financially at time of need, so he tried to took revenge by frustrating Bipin's mind through his imaginative. Now comes the next and the last character is Dr. Paresh Chandra. Dr. Paresh Chandra is a young physician with pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. He is called by Bipin Chaudhary to treat memory loss problem. Now we will start our chapter. Before you read, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary, what is the suspense all about? Let us read. Here we are going to start the first part of this chapter. Students, do you know what is lapse of memory? The meaning of lapse of memory is that a period of time when a person forgets things that he or she should have remembered. As grew older, he or she began to give memory lapse. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books. Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers, he had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through this week. Through the week, he lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Today at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls. Now students, in this first part, story begins with Bipin Babu. Every Monday he used to go to Kalicharan's bookstall to buy books of crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. Bipin Babu is interested in reading these types of books. And one more quality of character of Bipin Babu is he lived alone. He is not a good mixer. Only few friends are there of Bipin Babu, and he didn't like spending time in idle chatting. Idle chatting means the daily routine conversation or useless discussion, useless conversation. And What happened there? He found someone looking at him or staring at him. Then what happened? That man with meek looking man who now broke into smiled to Bipin Babu and said, I don't suppose you recognize me. That man is telling that I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Then what Bipin Babu asked, have we met before? The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day. What that man said, that we used to meet every day. Meek means quite. Whole week I arranged for a car to take you to Hudru Falls, and that man told that yes, I had arranged a car for you to take you to the Hudru Falls. See in the picture here, Bipin Babu is there and that man is standing on the main gate of that bookstall. In 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. Now, this is the second character of this story. First is Bipin Chaudhary and second is Parimal Ghosh. What Parimal Ghosh says that in 1958 and where in Ranchi, now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man was making a mistake. Now what Bipin Babu realized that it was not the Bipin Babu, it was the person is making some mistake. And what mistake is that Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He planned for going Ranchi but never made it successful. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? Then what Bipin Babu asked to that stranger, do you know who I am? The man raised his eyebrows but bit his tongue and said, do I know you? Who doesn't know you, Bipin Chaudhary? That what man said, that what question you asking to me? He was in wonder that do I know you? Bipin Babu, tell me, who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Everyone knows you. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, still you are making a mistake. Now again you are making a mistake. One often does. And again now, I have never been to Ranchi. I have not gone to Ranchi. The man now laughed aloud. Now what happened? This man is laughing. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru. Now again she is telling, giving the evidence that you had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine and I was there only to bring iodine for you. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Natterhat the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Now this stranger is giving evidence, making Bipin Babu to believe that he is speaking truth. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. One more person was there in Ranchi at that time, and that was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. You said that you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by Bawarchi. What you said that you stayed in a bungalow and you said that you will not like hotel food and you will eat food cooked by Bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister and that Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had big argument about the moon landing. Remember that argument. Remember that discussion. I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. And you have a bag of books with you always when you are on trips. Am I right or not? Now the stranger is asking, am I right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Looking into the books, very quietly Bipin Babu spoke. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said, October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. Then what Bipin Babu said that I was there in Kanpur in 58 with my friend in puja. But the main man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. But that stranger didn't go and he did not stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. Bipin Babu, very strange. One evening I had tea with you in veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane. Insane means because of madness. And which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. Such personal information, personal things that this stranger told to Bipin Babu. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. Utter disbelief means with complete surprise, man was looking at Bipin Babu. Here we complete with the first part of this chapter, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. We will continue in our next class. Thank you.